everybody, welcome back to Lolo's Playful Puppies and Toys. Today we are opening the OMG doll Sunshine. I found her at Target. I don't know which Target though. And what I also got is I got the Fur Real Friends Koala, which I will be opening tomorrow. So make sure to check that out. And also make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Well, let's get opening. I forgot where my scissors are. Here they are. This is like my first Friends one, so I might mess it up. I'm just tearing this off right now. A little hard-ish. I feel like it's just like not coming off. There. Okay. Well, the box is ruined, but I don't really keep my boxes, so we're just gonna, oh yeah, we need to cut this off, like that, and out. I think it's like stuck. I'm just gonna cut it because it's taking too long. Put it right there. Pull all the plastic off. And let's look at our doll. I already opened a little bit. So here is what her accessories look like. Really like 80s themed kind of. And then we'll pull it out. And if you can see, she is right in there looking stylish. I really like her like outfit. Wow, she's got like a cute like little like overall thing. It's not overalls, but I don't know why I just said that. Well, I think we're gonna do the accessories first. Just so I don't know. I think that I just like doing the accessories first. Here's her BFF journal. It says, channel the sun and let your light shine. April 20th, May 20th. BFF journal does not say a lot about her and her best friend, but yeah, it's fine. This stuff is pretty easy to get out. You might rip the garment bags. I'm like literally just like, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, well we got her surprises out. Actually, I think I'm gonna get out the surprises, get out the doll, but first, and then open the surprises. This is her like little room. I think it looks really cute, and she's got a picture of her little sister and her best friend's little sister, which I think is adorable. It's so like beach themed kind of. But we're gonna get the doll out now with a little bit of help from scissors. Okay, wow. This is harder than I expected. Oh wow, she's got a lot of hair. And there's still hair on the front. It's got a little bit of a crunch to it, but I bet if you play with her and play with her, you won't even notice. She's cute. Then we've got her mirror, which can just pull. I don't know if it goes from the bottom or I don't know if I'm pulling the mirror off or like what. Does she not need one of those things? I feel like she does. Oh, yeah, I got it. Her mirror. Pretty and shiny. Perfect. Now I'm gonna try to take this off. I'm not a fan of this. You know what? I'll take it off later. It's too hard. I'm too lazy, so yeah. we're gonna now open her surprises. So this is her bag. I'm pretty sure, yeah, her bag. Oh, it's kind of like, it looks like a fish tank. I don't know why. It looks like a fish tank and a radio. It's cute. You can fit stuff in it. It's got like, it's got an opening, and I just flip that over. So I'm gonna grab it. Here we go. Next, let's do her shoes. I'm a big fan of these shoes. I'm a really, really big fan. She's a size 6. Yeah, she wears roller skates. Just to give you a hint. Her roller skates, really cute. They've got like rainbows on the back. They're pastel colors, and yeah, got laces. I think it's just really cute. It's really cute. And then we're gonna open her bag of stuff because we need the stuff, I guess. So this is her little like thing, sizer for I think like the new boy dolls. I don't know. Oh, her earrings kind of look like headphones, like I don't know, headphones that are like wireless headphones, and then they're on a hoop. That's really cute. And then we got her sunglasses, which I think I really, really like, and I want to get a pair for myself. And a choker. Yeah, a choker with a heart. Now, her dressing bag. Okay. Oh, it's got Velcro in the back and a little belt. So these are her pants. Probably, and it's got like a little belt that you clip on, I think. Yeah, I'll show it to you once I get them on. This is my favorite item of hers. Not to play favorites, but yeah. It's a jacket that is like so soft. It's like a fluffy cloud. I love it. And we're gonna take all of these little accessories out and put this stuff over there. And well, we're gonna keep these. I'm gonna throw the trash away. I don't need this. Maybe this is the one I need. I don't know. I'm just not gonna throw that away yet. Let's get into the doll. Yeah, I don't think that this is the one that I don't need. Just put that one over. She's got a yellow brush, it's kind of like sparkly, I don't know. And now let's take her out with some scissors. I'm gonna try not to cut her hair smoothly, but we've got a lot of them to do. We've got 4, and we can't cut her hair. Okay. Oh, I have one more. And then just want to get her out. Why so much packaging? Okay. She's got rubber bands around her arms, which I really don't think is necessary. Oh, no, it's around her hair. Her hair attached to her arm. That makes no sense. But can we take her out, please? Oh, there's 2 that are stapled to her head. So we need to cut that. And cut. Sorry that this is like taking so long. And yeah. I think we're good. We look good. No, we don't. We look good, but we're not. No, I think we're good. No, we're not. We're not good either. Cut. Oh, only one. Wow, that's kind of nice. Oh, she's cute. She's really, really cute. This is what she looks like. I think that she's adorable. Still got some like stuff around her arms and stuff. Now she's good. She looks really, really cute. And we've got her stand, of course, which I'm just gonna rip out because I don't like. Perfect. Well, that. Okay. How is, wait. This is really confusing. There is 3 of them. And I don't know which one to use. I think that this one would fit her body. Yeah, looks like I'm gonna be using this one. Where do I store the rest of them though? Do I just put them, where do I put them? Maybe I put that one. This is really, really hard. And I don't even know really what I'm doing. Okay, well, we're not gonna worry about that. We're just gonna put the doll on the stand. And actually, no, I'm gonna dress her. Where is her stuff? Her hands do remove, I guess. But I'm not gonna put on her jacket yet. Her pants are pretty good quality. Might be a little hard for you to get on at first, but they're gonna be easy once you learn how, which I am still learning. They're a little, like, I don't know. They're a little hard to get on, but yeah, they're totally worth it, at least I think. Perfect. Yeah, she looks great, in my opinion. Okay, now I need to get her shorts down, her shorts pulled up. She looks great. Yeah, and we haven't even got her main accessory on. Or her main, not accessory, her hoodie. The shoes are not easy to get on, but yeah, the shoes are not easy to get on, so don't think when you get her that it'll just be like a perfect fit. We're gonna put in her little thingies, her earrings, and we're gonna put on her sunglasses. We're gonna put on her sweatshirt, her nice little hood sweatshirt. I'm not sure if it's needed to take off her hands for the sweatshirt, so I'm gonna try that right now. Okay, yeah, you do have to remove her hands to get her sweatshirt on, but you usually have to remove their hands for most clothes. Oh, and by the way, she's got pink nails that are done, and her sweatshirt is like not cooperating. But yeah, she does have pink nails, which I'll show you. Pink nails. We'll put on her shoes, and we'll give her her bag, purse bag thing. And there she is. I definitely give her a really, really good review. She is so pretty and she's so cute. I just think that she's really gorgeous, and I love her pink hair. And yeah, she's definitely recommended for buying. She's got so many cool colors, and yeah, you should really get her. Well, bye. Thank you for watching Lolo's Playful Puppies and Toys. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!